Hello, nice to see you. This is Hannah from SINOFUDE. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will bring to you our upgrade popping boba machine. This is our upgrade popping boba depositor. As you can see, there are a total of 2 sets of depositor head. Each head can reach around 500 kilograms per hour, so the capacity of 2 depositors can reach around 1 ton per hour. Let me show you what upgrade we made. Let's take a look. This is our new self-depositor head, which adopts a punchless design. The whole depositor system is controlled by a rotary valve, so that the boba dosing will be more accurate. All the popping boba nozzles controlled by 4 pieces plates, which can make it easier for you to get different sizes of the bobas. And also it can range 4 times the nozzles than the normal machine, so the same size machine can produce more capacity bobas. One hopper can arrange around 554 pieces nozzles. This size is based 8 mm of the popping boba. Please check inside of the hopper. It's 0 nozzles and the pistons, which is more easier for you cleaning the hopper. SINOFUDE is ready enables the whole machine can be directly deep cleaned with the water. This is our slipping conveyor system. After popping bobas are formed, the bobas will be automatically transferred from the forming vessel to the sliding conveyor system. It adopts Z-shaped design. The popping bobas will be rolled on this slipping conveyor plate. This time will make the popping boba more rounder and the skin more stronger. Finally, make your popping boba taste more better. This is the SINOFUDE upgrade version of the cleaning and collection system for the popping bobas. After first cleaning, the popping bobas will be automatically transported to a flowing water bath for cleaning, which can better clean the sodium agent on the outer layer of the popping bobas and keep the taste fresh, and also to prevent overreaction. The twice cleaning popping bobas will be transported to our collection tank. Behind us through the conveyor system. After researching this collection pool, it can be sterilization or go to the package. Watching our video. If you are interested in our CBD 5000 popping boba machine, please feel free to contact us. This is Hannah. See you next time. Bye.